اگر ملک بھر سے سینکڑوں شہر سوچھتا کے بنیادی ڈھانچے کے فقدان، گندگی کے انبار اور اس سے نپٹنے کے مسئلے سے پریشان ہیں تو شہر آندھرا پردیش کے ورنگل شہر سے ترغیب لے سکتے ہیں، جو کہ امید اور بااختیاری کا ماڈل بن گیا ہے۔
There were no bathrooms here.
This is how we came up with a city sanitation model, a model that cuts across every aspect of sanitation value chain. The next step that Warangal did, and this is applicable for any city for that matter, is to identify locations where these facilities are needed, and that's where we need certain amount of research. We need to understand the footfall data, and that's what we did. We went through a completely different model vis-a-vis many other cities. We used to go for public-private partnership format.
अपाहिज लोग रहते हैं, उनके लिए रैंप डाला है और सेपरेट लेडीज़ के लिए एंट्रेंस है, सोप और हैंड वॉश, डस्टबिन और नैपकिन्स, ऐसा बहुत कुछ अच्छा सुविधा किया है।
Now, anywhere we can go, there are bathrooms there.
Having made available public toilets, the big challenge was to make individual household toilets available in a seamless way.
Number that was initiated by the municipality earlier, but people are not aware of it. So what ASCII with the support of municipality has done is we have carried out a campaign on the number, so the citizen, any citizen doesn't have a toilet can make a call.
Citizens have to build either septic tanks or leach pits. These containments have to be well designed in order to ensure that the containment do not cause pollution in the neighborhood. In one zone, a fecal sludge treatment plant is conceptualized, which is based on the biological treatment and leading to clean water as well as fertilizer production. The other plant, which is coming in the other half of the city, is based on biomethanation, which is treating both municipal solid waste as well as the fecal waste. And this biomethanation has a commercial value, and that's why the city chose to opt for public-private partnership.